Oh, now Charlotte want to open the Barbie boat. You can see here. Oh, this unboxing the Barbie boat. It's hard. Mommy, help mommy. Make it nicely. I can see the tape, the glue. I think they use glue here. Look. Oh. Wow, so this is the Barbie boat. Oh. We put this here back again. Oh, just like this, okay? Okay. Wow, the boat. So where are you gonna play with it, darling?
In my Barbie house.
In your Barbie house, yeah. Oh, give to mommy. Mommy will help you to open.
There's a steering wheel.
The steering wheel.
Careful. Her hand stuck to it.
Okay.
Her hands.
Her hand also.
Whoa.
Why?
Got the rubber stuck. Her feet. Not gonna go on.
Hi, Barbie.
There's the
You can. There's another one. The head is stuck there.
Stop. You need the scissors.
Yeah. What? You cut the plastic?
It's stuck here.
So when we go to swimming pool also, we can bring the boat, darling. This is also on your list. Let me help you. It's okay, later we can open it. Okay, Barbie is there. Look, darling.
Her hair. Her hair might stuck to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Okay.
Now the boat, please. Whoa, you only need to. Oh, child, look at the boat. Wow, it's so big. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, it just looks like real. Look at the dashboard, the panel. Oh, what? What?
How do you know?
How do you know? So they can sit here?
Chelsea can sit here.
Chelsea, okay. Wow, and then just flip it back.
And if Stacy wanna sit here, you can sew.
How do you know, darling?
You can sit like this.
Oh, see,
Chelsea
this
can
thing,
sit like
you can spin
this.
it, darling. Look.
Yeah, I know.
You know? Wow. Oh, what's under the boat? Let's see. I want to see how it looks like.
Nothing.
Nothing. All right.
No wheels.
No, it's of course it's a boat. Can you open the jacket? Not.
No.
Oh, that's what we call life jacket,
Life
darling.
jacket.
You know that's the name. You can put here
I guess.
the life jacket.
Yeah. This is just her.
So again, darling, you have to give name to this Barbie.
Again, this is Ordy.
Yeah, that one is fancy.
Fancy.
And then what else you got here? Look, a dog. Oops, I got a dog.
On the
And
back,
then
2 bottles. You can
Okay.
put here.
Sophia?
put here.
Sophia?
Sophia, you don't have Sophia?
No.
Okay, Sophia it is.
Sophia.
Okay, so just like that. You already put the bottle, drinking bottle, and then this is a
You
dog.
can do like this, dog.
And that's Sophia. Okay, so this is the life jacket, don't
Dog
forget.
can go here.
So this is, okay.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Sa?
The dog can
Bye.
sit here.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.